Welcome back to Near Lucid. Today we'll be taking a look at the Alpacas, a JWK switch inspired by the colorway of SA Bliss. These have garnered a fair amount of attention within the community, and I've had my hands on some for quite a while now, so I thought I'd dig a little deeper into them to see how they really are. Let's get into the specs. Alpacas have a very pretty colorway, with a pastel pink stem and darker gray housing. They only come with a moderate 62-gram spring. The stem is made of palm, the bottom is nylon, and the top is polycarbonate. They're PCB mounted, and like all JWK recolors, benefit from films. Alpacas retail for 55 cents a switch. They also have a silent variant, though we do not have these here today. These are slightly more expensive and are smoky gray instead of opaque gray. Before we head into the Lubed sound tests, let's take a listen to these stock. So these switches are on the very clacky and muted side. Even though Alpacas are fairly smooth on Lubed, I would not recommend leaving them this way because their sound is pretty plasticky and even unpleasant in certain configurations. So with that, let's lube these and listen to them again. Since we recently reviewed banana splits as well, and those are also on the clackier side, let's compare their sound. So splits are actually a bit higher pitched because of their thinner top housing, but there's not a significant difference. The smoothness of Lubed Alpacas is pleasant, and the stem wobble is very well controlled, even better than this filmed banana split. I'm again going to compare these to JWICKs, which perform pretty much just as well. Not only are they way easier to get your hands on, they're almost 3 times cheaper. But if you love the color of Alpacas like me, they're a very nice addition to your probably building JWK collection. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching this episode of Near Lucid. If you like this video, drop a thumbs up. If you have feedback or questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We'd be more than happy to answer. Also, these videos take lots of work, and by subscribing, you're letting us know that you want us to keep making them. And if you find my voice annoying, you can always unsubscribe. That's all for this video. I'll see you guys later.